So we just created an account. This is what you should see after the account is created. If you have no dashboards, this is the screen you will see. You have some useful links here which you can use to start creating your dashboard. First of all, to start recording the data from your devices, you need a channel. We go to channel list and we can see that we have no channels. All the data which is coming to your account is going through a channel. So we have to add a channel first. Let's call this channel desktop, because we will have a device on our desktop which will measure the temperature and the humidity. This is enough for now. We save this. We can see that the channel was added, and we can see the channel here. We can edit the channel or we can delete the channel. Now that we have the channel here, we can create a chart using this channel. We go to the chart list. We see that we have no charts in our account. We can add a new chart. We have two types of charts for now, a line chart and a gauge chart. We can create, let's call it desktop line, for example, because we'll have a line chart. We select the channel we want to use for this chart, the type, the time at which the data will be averaged, 10 seconds, and which fields to display. We will display the first one. We want to display the last 1 hour. We want to use ascending sorting, and we leave those values to 0 so they will be calculated automatically. Also, we can check this box to have automatic updates to the chart. We save the chart and we can see that the chart was added. Let's add a new chart for the temperature, for example. This one we will have a gauge chart. Again, 10 seconds. We will use only the temperature field, which is the first one. We will get the data from the last hour. If we don't have data in the last hour, nothing will be displayed, and we only need one row. For this one, we should use the maximum value, let's say 30. This is the value displayed on the chart. Let's hit save. Okay, and we have the two charts. If we click view chart, we can see the chart here, but as we don't have any data, nothing will be displayed. We can also see this one. Again, because we have no data, nothing will be displayed, but we can see here that the values are from 0 to 30. Let's close this. And now that we have the charts created, 26 and 27, we can go and create a dashboard. Go to dashboard, manage dashboards. Let's add a new dashboard. Let's call it desktop. Okay, let's save it. And now if we go to dashboard, we will automatically be taken to that dashboard. Now we can customize this dashboard, remembering that we have charts 26 and 27. Let's go to dashboard, manage dashboards, and let's customize this. We can use this visual editor to customize the dashboard. First, let's add a section, let's add a text, and let's add a chart here. This is how you add a chart to the dashboard. We can check the code now to see if everything is okay. Can remove this one, and now we can save it. If I now go to dashboard desktop, I can see the chart added here, but again there is no data because the device is not connected yet. Let's manage the dashboard, customize. Let's add a new chart here, a new section first, and it's 2 columns. of equal width. Let's add the other chart here. This will be the temperature chart. You can check the code, everything is okay. Save. And now we can see the dashboard. Now that I have some more data here, I can see on my desktop dashboard the chart now has some data. I can see that it has real-time updates as the values are automatically added as they arrive. I can see that I added a temperature gauge and a humidity gauge. Also, I've added a variable here to which I can control a fan. For adding variables, I go to the variable list, I click add, I enter the name, a default value, a minimum and maximum value, and the type of variable. For the one here, I added a switch variable. This variable can now be used in the designer to turn on or off a device. Go again to the dashboard and I can see the chart with all the data loading here.